Right, hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got an unboxing video. We have a brand new old stock White Knight C38AW compact tumble dryer. It's a 3.5 kilo one, so it's going to be later on. I suspect this is one of the last ones they would have built, and this came from a shop that I'm partnered with, just a bit out of my area. So we're going to take it out of the box today. This is actually for a customer. I thought I'd take it out of the box, have a look at it, because I probably won't get another one of these in for a very long time, if ever. So just see what it's like unboxing one of these. It's packaged very similar to the Asco I unboxed this time last year. There's a frame and polystyrene around the front and the back and a bit in the middle. There's 2 blocks of wood on top. And that's what it's like around the back. We've got the venting duct at the bottom left. We have the thermal reset, which is a red dot. We have a piece of paper which goes around the other side as well with a serial number on and the model number on. 3.5 kilo tumble dryer, serial numbers on there. United Kingdom White Knight. Only weighs 24 kilos, weighs nothing. See the vents on the side, and this is a continuation of the sticker. Made in Great Britain. So here we go then. I've got a pair of scissors and a kitchen knife. Let's go with the scissors. Right, so this is all one all one piece that drops onto the tumble dryer. So I'll make sure that's all clear, and then we'll go around the front, I think. It's in view there, isn't it? Yeah, right. Yeah, that'll come off. And there we have one White Knight compact tumble dryer. Very clear door, so no scratches. It's brand new, isn't it? Inside then we have one venting hose with the adapters to clip it in the back and to screw on the wall. Interestingly, the filter isn't in situ. I'm looking at a packet in a minute. There is a little red clip, transit clip, holding the drum to the cabinet. Let's get this out. Down the duct we can see the thermostat for the exhaust air, and we can see the plug which has been looped through the back of the tumble dryer. Call to register your guarantee, we won't be doing that, nor my customer. Let's take a closer look at the controls. So traditionally the timer dial is on the left hand side of the dryer. We've got a timer that goes from 127 minutes by the looks of it, around the way to 20, 10, then cooling down tumble. Made in UK and the model number. We've got the white knight badge in the middle. On the other end of the fascia we've got our heat rocker switch, high heat, low heat. That feels a lot more solid than the old ones, probably me imagining it. And then we've got important read instructions, and then we've got reverse tumble, 3.5 kilo capacity. So let's have a quick look at that packet then. We have the fluff filter, standard fluff filter for these sort of dryers. Put that to one side for now. Lots of paperwork. We have all of their different products listed on a piece of paper. Hostess products, whoever made those. Oh, hello. Yeah, so we've got a sheet with the products on, which isn't very clear at this point. We've got the tumble dryers, the spin dryers, the white knight washing machines, which are Vestel, the dishwashers, which are Medea, and various refrigeration appliances. On the back, we've got the built-in tumble dryers, which you still see quite a few of actually, under different badges, and then selection of dishwashers and a built-in fridge freezer. We have the guarantee form. We have the old energy rating sticker. We have a 10% off voucher from White Knight. Got a few more updated Vestel washing machines in here. We have a couple of condenser tumble dryers, not quite sure who makes those. Some fridges and some dishwashers. That one a spin jar on the back. And lastly we have the instruction booklet, which is very, very brief, a lot of text, no pictures, as far as I'm aware. No, one or two. Right, so I've plugged the machine in. We're going to install the fluff filter, and I'm going to run it up very briefly on camera just so you can see how it operates. So here we go. Won't be putting any washing in it though, I'm afraid. Sounds a bit ropey. I'm not quite sure if that's how they're meant to sound, but definitely heating, you can smell it. So that's that really. We have one White Knight compact tumble dryer. Probably the last one I unboxed, my first anyway. I've done quite a few of the freestanding ones a few years ago, but never unboxed one of the baby ones. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, goodbye.